Air, water, plants, humans are all part of me. I provide water to drink, air to breathe, food to eat, clothes to wear, shelter to live. Oh, someone is sad. Who are you? Why are you sad? I'm lonely, Sid. I don't have friends. I'm scared. Hello, Sid. I am a soul. Don't be scared. I will cover you. I give you nutrients. Hello, beautiful Sid. I am water. I will help you to absorb the nutrients. And hello, beautiful Sid. I am the sun. I will keep you warm. I am your friend. I am the little seed in a dark ground. Out comes the yellow sun, big and brown. Down comes the rain, soft and slow. Out comes the little seed, grow, grow, grow. Now the seed made all his friends and was happy. Let's see what happened to the seed. This is seed. This is sprout. The root grows deep into the soil, then it grows into a small plant. Of the presence of air, water and sunlight, it grows into a small plant. Let us take care of the plants like our parents take care of